Sunday?
This is Sunday, February
28th.
2011.
27th, maybe.
27.
27.
Almost the 28th.
We have an impromptu thunderstorm tornado warning in the city of St. Louis. And we happen to have the privilege of being in the precarious spot, 10 stories up, and just beholding Mother Nature's prowess. Isn't that right, Brianna?
Yes.
Wow. This is pretty cool. Whoa.
Do we feel vulnerable?
Yeah. Oh my gosh.
Yes.
Do you see the green everywhere?
Yeah.
I feel vulnerable.
We feel vulnerable.
Ooh, baby. Wow, look at that. Baby. Chill. Wow.
Gosh.
Wow. Wow. Whoa, you kidding me? Come on.
I don't think I've seen anything so.
This is
like,
crazy.
so
Get away
long.
from the edge, Eric. Right there against the wall. We're good. Good.
No, I'm not touching.
No, I'm serious. Don't get close to that. Nothing hits there. You're close.
I'm not touching.
I love the flashes of green.
Oh my God.
They're insane.
Wow.
Look at
Wow,
his
that
hair.
looks, it doesn't look natural.
Yeah.
It's so amazing. Yeah!
Whoa! Woo. Baby, bring it.
So
Take
cool.
shelter immediately.
Phone's gonna get-
Yeah, I'm okay.
Whoa, starting to get wet out
Yeah,
here.
the rain's coming down.
There's some big drops coming down.